Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the essential permission, display over other apps. Go to Settings, choose Apps, find your Messenger, and toggle that permission. Once done, make sure the Messenger version supports floating mode. Update if needed. Close any screen recording or accessibility overlays that can block floating controls and free a small amount of memory so the window spawns reliably. Now open the Messenger and look for the floating or chat head toggle in Conversations. We will activate it next. Once you activate the floating option inside a chat, you'll see a movable bubble or mini window. Drag it to an edge where it won't block important UI, and use pinch or the resize handle to set width and height. Many apps support 16:9 or square modes. Make sure notification pop-ups for that chat are enabled so the window wakes reliably. Also adjust opacity and timeout so the window remains readable but not intrusive. These adjustments prevent accidental taps and keep multitasking smooth. Finish by creating a shortcut or gesture for quick toggling of the floating window and test it. Send a message, receive a call, and switch between heavy apps to confirm persistence. If the floating window disappears or won't open, revoke the display over other apps permission, reboot, then regrant it. That clears permission glitches. If problems persist, check battery optimization or background restrictions and whitelist the Messenger so the system won't kill the floating process when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.